Well, the hardest part of the pond build today, painting. As most of you know, I have real bad legs and constant pain, and I'll show you now for those who have not seen them before, and they're like this. That's my legs, constant pain, difficulty walking, difficulty doing anything. And today is the hardest day because I've got the paint, all this, I've got paint all around the pond. Now look, there's a cat coming, a wild cat that lives under the bushes, must have heard me speaking, so it's coming for its milk. And as I said, I've got paint all this. But I got a little device off my grandson which will help me kneel under these pads. There you go. So I'm hoping they will help me today on the floor, and I've got a big stick here to help me get back up if I can't lift myself up. So last night the temperature dropped to 1°C and I left one of the covers on. Here it is. So that was left on the pond last night, and there was a frost, and I was happy that I'd left it on to help protect the fish. I've not looked at the water today, so I will take this off now and put this to the other side of the pond, and we'll have a check on what the fish are like. Cat's sitting here waiting for some milk. I don't mind it coming into the garden because it keeps anything away from the garden. And I notice the heavens don't come down if they see the cat. As for the fish, well, the water's pretty clear. The fish seem to be doing quite well today. But again tonight I'll put the cover back on again because the temperature is likely to drop. So I definitely think we are now into winter because the temperature last night dropped way down. Present temperature is about 11 or 12 in the pond. So let's double check that with the temperature gauge. It's 12.5, so that's quite good. So it has rose quite a lot through the day. I need a bit more oxygen putting into the pond because I will now be turning one of the oxygen pumps off, and when the temperature drops below 0, I will also turn off the water pump and the pond will go on to pure oxygen fed. That gives me a chance to clean the filters out and adjust the filters ready for when I turn them on. I would turn them on probably about 2 days a week, all the way through the winter. I will be doing a review of the pump, the filters and the air in a week or so's time, and showing you the best way I do it, not only to keep the pond warm but also to save energy. So please subscribe if you can. I would like as many subscribers as possible. Sit on my little bench to ease my back. I've got a couple of big things coming up in the near future. The wife keeps reminding me that we've been married for 50 years on the 8th of November, as if I would ever forget, because we got married on the 8th of November and my birthday is on the 9th of November. She timed that very well so that I would never forget. And on the 9th of November I will reach my 75th. So if you can, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.